All right, got to keep this at 3 minutes. January 28, 2025. This is the kill list for Apple Valley. Luke, Dapper Dan, Kiera, Nora, Monty, Chief, Delgado, Buster. For some reason, YouTube is taking like 12 hours to load a 5-minute video. Oh, so fun never ends. Let's see if we can get to the most. Yeah, it's just fighting me the whole way today. It is fighting me the whole goddamn way. Let's see. One more try. All right. Okay, and these are the dogs from the previous, the 24th that they're going to kill. Vesemir, Gilbert, Mustang, Penny, and Gracie. Gracie is not adopted. Gracie's up for grabs. So hopefully we can get Gracie out of here. There's just a ton of dogs, people. There is a ton of dogs. Mamas and puppies. More puppies. There was another one where they take the puppies and they leave the mom heartbroken. That's just how humans are. They don't give a shit. It was a dog named Bunny. Yeah, there it is. Well, there it's not. There it is. So the puppies got adopted, but they dumped mama. All right, gang. I'm going to try and get this like as close to 3 minutes as possible. It just takes literally 10, 12 hours to load 5 minutes worth of video. So there's a ton of beautiful dogs. There's Maggie. Here's Lassie. All kinds of beautiful dogs. Butthead. What a name. Beavis. Princess. Oh yeah, look at this one. This one's got to get out. Winona. Gorgeous dog. Just a ton of dogs. This whole area is just avalanched with dogs. I think at any given day, there's 25 to 35 dogs just running loose in that community. Just all over the place. People just don't give a shit, and it shows. All right. Yeah, so, okay, 3 minutes. There it is. All right, gang, please help if you can. These dogs would really like to have a life and get out of here. We'll catch you on the next YouTube.